Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are doing wonderful. Well, before we begin, to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well, and welcome to the family. Well, today is an exciting day. Matter of fact, this whole entire week, we are going to talk about embeds in our cold process soap making. So come on, let's get into this video. So today we are going to talk about how to pick the right mold for making your embeds. You saying to yourself, what is an embed? An embed is something near more than you decorating the inside or the top of your soap loaf with a smaller piece of soap that has a different mold to it or shape to it. So these are the hard plastics. I don't really care for these. They're beautiful, but I'm telling you one thing, it's hard to get your molds out of this, your soap molds out of here. So I don't really care for them. I love silicone molds. Love silicone molds. And I'm showing you these for one reason. You saying, Glennceria Loving Hands. Why would I put that huge piece of soap, a thinner soap? Absolutely beautiful. Because when you cut into it, each piece would have a piece of a rose, or each piece would have a piece of a ladybug or a butterfly. Use your imagination. Don't let anybody tell you you can't or cannot do something. That's what making you unique. So what you need to decide on is your theme for your soap, your design, and what are you going for? So if I'm doing, let's say, a Valentine's soap and I wanted to add hearts, of course I will look for a heart mold that's going to give me little embeds that I can put on top or inside of the soap. A lot of my molds come from Brambleberry, Amazon, okay? I'll leave some links below if I can find these. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that nice? And we also use this for the bath bombs. So not only your molds can be used for soaping, but you can also use them for candles. If you want to get patriotic or you just need stars in your soap, there you go. You get stars. Summer, you want that nautical beach looking theme. We have palm trees, seashells, crabs, fish, stars, things like that. Now, I've had these molds since 2014. With my doggy's shampoo bars, I have the fire hydrant. Isn't that adorable? And easy to come out. Dog bone. And we also have dog paws. Okay. We have flowers here, little flowers. And don't worry, we are going to make some of these. We have an exciting couple of videos coming up that I'm going to show you. We're going to work on together. Cold process and no sweat, melt and pour. So this is very famous. This comes from Brambleberry. And these give you the little gumball drops, okay? See that? Little gumball drops. Now, I make a soap that's like the Titanic. So it's a ship soap that I make. And the scent is bay rum for men. And this is the mold that I use. So I'm going to take you along for that soaping as well. That soap making as well. Now, I also bought this. Now, I have used this before. And you see where the stem for the apple doesn't come out. Gave me a hard time. But I still like it. Now, I show you this, you're saying again, Glennceria, that is too big for an embed. Absolutely, but you can make an embed with this and then slice it up. And it gives you like a half moon. Use your imagination. Before we go on, let's stop for a minute and let me give you the quote of the day. The quote of the day is press on. That's right, press on. So, cupcakes, bottom of your cupcake, there you go. Cupcake mold, ice cream cone mold. I make a soap called ice cream cone. This is what I use. And then here's another cupcake. That's your bottom of your cupcake. Okay? Be right back. Okay. This is a mold from Crafter's Choice. And it's an autism mold. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? And I will take you along because I'm going to do a soap. And we're going to do this together, okay? Autism. So, when picking out a mold, it's important that, like I said, you think about your theme. You think about how many you need, color, what to use. Are you going to use melt and pour? Are you going to use the cold process method? There's a lot of things to think about. Let's do our deep breathing. Come on, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Oh, that feels so good. Chill out Fridays. Get your favorite beverage. Just chill out today. Take it easy. We talked about embeds and how we're going to use them, where you can find them. Amazon, Brambleberry, Wholesale Supply Plus. Just punch in your Google search for molds. Silicone molds are my favorite. I tend not to like the harder molds, like I show you, that strawberry. This hard mold, very hard to get your soap mold, the embeds out of this, okay? Very hard. Can it be done? Absolutely, but you know, you're gonna use a lot of elbow grease in it. We're gonna do my soap for men, by the bay, okay? Flowers. There we go. Doggy bones. Okay, guys, I see you in the next video, okay? We have a lot to do. As usual, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Please share my video. And as always, Glennceria Loving Hands. Mwah. Love you always. Have a great day. And I see you in the next video. We got some stuff to do. Enjoy your weekend, guys, okay? Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye for now. Oh, go check out my Etsy shop. There's some new things listed. Go check it out. Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands. Love you. Bye-bye for now.